Today we're taking an in-depth look at our TrendPass Pro indicator. It is based on a highly advanced candle pattern algorithm to analyze short-term market trends in an intuitive way. Furthermore, it delivers high probability entry and exit signals, and unlike the most random buy-sell indicators, it delivers real edge in the markets. You can gain confluence for the signals through different built-in features, and as a toolkit you can use the TrendPass Pro standalone to support any possible trading style. Later in this video I will show you 3 powerful trading setups where the TrendPass Pro unfold their full potential, so make sure to watch the video till the end to not miss out on that. So anyway, let's start with the basic demonstration of the candle coloring, the signal bars and how to interpret them correctly. First, we have green bars, which means that we are in an uptrend. If they turn red, we know that we just started a downtrend. It is always important to wait for the close of a trend bar to be sure that it is a confirmed new up or downtrend. Sometimes we have an ongoing uptrend and then switch to red just for a few candles before we continue the uptrend. This is called a pullback, and it's a strong sign that the uptrend will continue. The close price of the first green trend bar is a great spot for a long entry. Afterwards, you can just follow the uptrend and exit the market after we close with the first red trend bar. These pullbacks work the same way in downtrends when we switch to green candles short term and then turn red again. In the settings, you can set an alert for bullish and bearish bar trend changes to get notified when a new trend gets confirmed. That's extremely comfortable. You might have noticed that we have some gray and black bars in between. They are indicating a neutral market state where price is consolidating before either continuing its trend or starting a new trend. Now let's move on to the signal bars. There are 3 different types. Reversal bars indicate a strong bullish or bearish trend reversal. They often occur at the bottom or top of a price move right before the start of a new up or down trend. The blue reversal bar indicates a bullish reversal, and the pink reversal bar indicates a bearish trend reversal. Continuation bars represent the continuation of an existing trend, providing entry points or opportunities to increase an existing position. Turquoise continuation bars represent a bullish continuation, and orange continuation bars represent a bearish continuation. Last but not least, we have the breakout bars. They indicate the breakout of a candle consolidation period, where price moves sideways. The dark green breakout bar indicates a breakout above the range, and the light red breakout bar indicates a breakout below the range. The bar range feature of the TrendPass Pro indicator is able to display these ranges where it's better to stay away from trades. We'll explore this topic further in part 2 of this video. Now let's take a look at how to enter and plan a trade based on the signal bars. Let's say we have a confirmed bullish reversal bar and we want to enter a long trade. One way would be to enter at candle close, place a stop loss below the low of the signal bar and then just use a favorable risk-reward ratio of 3 or above. Another way would be to enter at candle close and exit the trade by the time we confirm the first red trend bar or bearish signal bar. If you want to trade a confirmed bearish signal bar, the whole process gets reversed. Close your short position on the first green trend bar or bullish signal bar. In the settings, you can set alerts also for signal bars, which gives you an extremely comfortable trading experience.
Nice.
Get notified when the next signal bar occurs, enter your trade, set an alert for the exit signal like a signal bar or a bullish or bearish trend change, and wait till it gets triggered. Sounds easy, right? Because it is! Anyway, there are 3 trading setups I want to share with you where the TrendPass Pro unfold their full potential. For the first one, we need to look for a consolidation period where market moves sideways. Like this one, where we first formed some nearly equal highs and then some lows which are around the same price level as well. If we get a breakout above this range afterwards, wait for a pullback to the range resistance line. If we bounce off and confirm a bullish signal bar, it's the perfect long entry signal. And just make sure that we didn't close below the range resistance before we printed the signal bar. Now enter at candle close, place a stop loss below the previous low and use a favorable risk-reward ratio of 3 or above as target. With the breakout below the range, the whole process gets reversed. Wait for the pullback to the range support line and then for a confirmed bearish signal bar. Enter at candle close, place a stop loss above the previous high and use a risk-reward ratio of 3 or above as target. For the second trading setup, we need a trending market. To analyze the trend, you can just add the simple moving average to your chart and choose 50 for the length. If the price is above the simple moving average, you know that we are in uptrend. If we get a pullback to the moving average and then print a bullish signal bar, it is a great long entry. Enter at candle close, place a stop loss below the previous low and use a risk-reward ratio of 3 or above as target. If we are below the moving average, which means downtrend, wait for a pullback to the moving average line. If we bounce off and confirm a bearish signal bar, you can enter a short trade at candle close. Place a stop loss above the previous high and again use a risk-reward ratio of 3 or above as target. For the third trading setup, we need a liquidity grab. This means that price enters an area of liquidity to hunt the stop losses of other traders. This can be, for example, a previous high. If it gets taken out and the trend bars turn red afterwards, it's a strong bearish reversal signal. Just make sure that the red trend bar closes below this liquidity area. If we confirm the setup with a signal bar, it adds further reliability to this setup. Now you could enter a short trade at candle close and place the stop loss above the previous high. Target the previous low or just use a risk-reward ratio of 2 or above. If price takes out a low and liquidates the buyers, look for the trend bars to turn green right afterwards. If we close above the low, you can enter a long trade right here. Place a stop loss below the previous low and target the previous high. Alternatively, you can use a risk-reward ratio of 2 or above again. That's enough to kick off a smooth start with the Trend Bars Pro. If you liked this video, you will for sure like the second part, where we take a closer look at different features which will give you confluence for the signals from the Trend Bars Pro and also how the Trend Bars Pro can support different trading styles. Happy trading!